So today I'm about to show you how to extract images from a PDF in Flowith.io. First, open Flowith.io and upload your PDF file by dragging it directly onto the canvas or using the upload button. Once the PDF node appears, click on it and select Extract Assets or Image Extraction. Tool from the node options, Flowith will scan the document and pull out every high-resolution image, placing them as individual nodes right next to your original file. You can now drag these images into new branches or use them as prompts for the AI image generators. Pro tip, this is a lifesaver for research papers. It lets you isolate charts and diagrams, so you can ask the AI to analyze them separately. And that's it. That's how to extract images from a PDF file in Flowith.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.